My role here is focused on implementing all of the Slingshot projects that we start with new customers. My team works across North America, on site with customers, training, helping them configure, generally helping them get ready to take the product live. Avanti's a very fast-moving environment. We work with a very passionate customer base, and every day we're working with them trying to make sure that they're going to use Slingshot as best they can to support their business. And really what we're doing at the end of the day is transforming their operations. The biggest mistake customers can make is they get really excited about transforming their business, bringing in all this automation, which is a great idea, but to try and tackle an MIS implementation, a JDF implementation potentially, an XML web storefront implementation potentially, an integration to a financial system potentially, that's a whole lot to chew. Customers need to deal with this in bite-sized chunks. If you have a current MIS system that you're only using for estimating order entry job ticket, maybe we start with Slingshot and simply set up estimating order entry job ticket. We can get you live on that piece of the software relatively quickly. You get people in the business working in the software fairly quickly, you start to build momentum. If you leave it as one large chunk to try and work through, it can become a really monotonous, slow, frustrating process. By implementing really and replacing what you've got currently and taking that with Slingshot and simply going live with that, we've seen a number of customers be successful with that approach, and then simply rolling out in future phases, whether it's an integration to JDF or integration to storefront, or we're now going to look at scheduling and planned purchasing and maybe some advanced fulfillment. Let's look at that down the road in future phases. An MIS project is a very complex piece of work for any customer to take on. We do this every day. Most customers will implement an MIS once every 12 to 15 years. So we've got a ton of experience that allows us to really help guide the process. My team is very good at helping customers understand that there are steps that we need to follow. In order to get to here, we have to build the base here. And if we don't build the base, we're not going to get to where you need to get to. The biggest challenge is getting the resources to work from the customer side on the project. At the outset, there's only a handful of folks that need to work on Slingshot, and maybe one or two that have a real significant workload. But as we get further into the implementation, everybody's been trained, the system's been built out. That's when everybody in the operation is going to have their hands in Slingshot. Everybody has to be working and practicing in Slingshot on a daily basis as they get ready to go live. That's another one of the big challenges for customers, is to get that buy-in and that mind share from their team. That everybody in the operation has a stake in this. It's going to make us significantly better, significantly more efficient, but everybody's got to work together, and it's not real simple to flip the switch and simply go live.